If you're looking to sell physical products in Nigeria, this video is going to be quite helpful to you. And in this video, I want to show you 10 top hot products and niches that you can start selling in Nigeria and you make a lot of money in no time. So my name is Good Noel and I make a lot of videos about e-commerce because e-commerce for Nigerians is basically the easiest way to make money online. I know a lot of people do not know this, but most people start out with e-commerce because, again, this is the easiest way for you to make money online in Nigeria. But usually there is the issue of what products should I sell, because we have way too many products around, and that's why I'm making this video. So I am not just going to give you the product, I'm equally going to give you the niche so that you can go inside of these niches and find individual products that you can sell. And the reason why you need to do this is because you need to sell what people want to buy. Because if you sell what you want to sell and people don't want to buy this, you'll be wasting a lot of money. I would know this because I have made these mistakes a lot of times. So I don't want you to make that mistake, especially if you've been following my videos. So that's why I've done this. So these niches here, these products here, you can sell them off the dump. But if you get any of these products, you want to go in deeper to find a unique product that you can sell and make profit in Nigeria. So the good thing with e-commerce is that the market is there in Nigeria. Nigeria is primarily a consumer economy, which means a lot of persons want to buy things. A lot of persons have problems and they are looking for solution all the time. So all you have to do is to find a product that would at least solve their problem or to solve their perceived problem, and then they will actually give you money and you will make money. That's basically how it works. So the first step or the first niche here is fashion items. This one, it does not go out of phase, and it's getting worse or better for you as a marketer or as a salesperson, because we are in the social media era, and here people want to look good. People want to always look good, and that's why fashion items we always keep selling. So under fashion items we have clothing. Clothing is like the hottest selling thing in Nigeria. So we have traditional wear like Ankara and Agbada. Even people outside the country, Nigerians outside the country, are buying this from UK, Canada, America, Australia, Germany, anywhere you think of. Nigerians there are buying these things from Nigeria and they are shipped to them over there. So this is going to be a very good niche. Of course, it's going to be slightly competitive because a lot of persons sell clothing. But if you niche it down in the way I'm going to show you now, you will do just fine. So not just Ankaras, we have casual wears that people can wear, t-shirts, gowns for ladies, some kind of gowns that ladies can use multiple times. All right. Then we have corporate outfits and also we have accessories under fashion items. We have bags, shoes, wristwatches, and jewelries. Again, Nigeria is a flexing country. It's a country where people like to show off what they have, show off their riches, their dress sense, that they are doing well, and all of them. And your job is to tap into these things and make money. So the first one is fashion items, and under fashion items we have clothing, we have accessories and shoes and all of that. The second one is health and wellness products. This one is a constant one, is a money spinner. And under health and wellness products we have like herbal teas. These things can solve problems for specific health issues or wellness products. So we have weight loss products, we have supplements, all right, we have fitness kits like dumbbells. Everybody is in the gym these days. Again, everything ties to social media, so people need to pay attention to how powerful social media is and how powerful social media can influence people. So people want to look good for the gram, like they say. So health and wellness product is always going to be a hot selling niche, and you can find unique products inside of this. So we have about these supplements, a whole lot of them. So these teas can solve different problems. We have teas for smokers, we have teas for eyes, we have teeth for hearing, we have basically teeth for everything these days. So the next one is beauty and skincare products. This one is quite addictive. All right, skincare and beauty is an addictive thing. So once people get into this, they cannot come out. Again, everybody wants to look good, everybody wants that glowy skin, everybody wants to be doing well or perceived to be doing well. So beauty and skincare product. So if you come here, we have organic skincare like shea butter. I know you might want to underrate these things because you think you can find them everywhere, but the idea here is to find another angle to market this thing. We have black soaps, black soap for acne, black soap for pimples, black soap for eczema, black soap for breaking skin, black soap for anything. All right, the key thing is your soap has to solve a specific problem for these people. We have face serum, anti-aging serums. All right, people don't want to get old anymore. I don't blame them. The world is too sweet these days. So anti-aging creams, complexion creams, complexion restore creams, and a whole lot of them, scar removers creams, and a whole lot of them. So we also have makeup kits and beauty tools. All right, this is for the women. A lot of men actually do makeup these days too. So let's say we have beard growth for men, we have a whole lot of things for men. All right, so number 4, we have gadgets and electronics. Under gadgets, we have smartphones. Smartphones are going crazy these days because phones are quite expensive. Even used phones are selling like crazy. Under these, we have earbuds, we have chargers, we have power banks. You can just focus on just earbuds and you should be good. So if you sell just earbuds, Apple earbuds, even Apple clone earbuds, all right, replicas. We have smartphone devices like security cameras and smart plugs. So security in Nigeria is somehow, I'm sure you know this. So security cameras we sell. You can find security cameras even for kids, security cameras for pets these days. Nigerians are starting to earn a lot of pets. And after that, we want to come to the home appliances. This is, you go online, everybody's making videos and they are using their houses to make these videos. So we have a need for home appliances, and under home appliances, you come to the kitchen, we have like energy efficient appliances, because these days the light tariffs or the bills we pay, it's incredible, and everybody is looking for options to cut down their energy consumption. For instance, we have solar ACs these days, solar washing machines. All these things are geared towards saving energy and not spending a lot of money on electricity. So we can have energy efficient appliances like blenders, air fryers, solar fans. These ones sell like crazy because we are equally approaching the heat period. We are coming to the heat period and we have solar fans going off. We have rechargeable fans. They are going off because the heat coming next is going to be quite crazy. So we have kitchen gadgets. I actually like kitchen gadgets a lot because this is quite emotional and it's quite personal for me. And this niche, this is actually one of my favorite niche. This niche will keep selling because we keep eating every day. And these days, you see everybody is trying to show off their kitchen. So people want the best gadgets. They want the finest plates. They want the finest electronics in their kitchen. They want things that will make things easy for them. We have yam pounders. We have air fryers. We have a whole lot of useful kitchen gadgets. So I'm going to just pick one of these niches and show you how to find another product inside of these niches. So the last, the number 6 is baby and kids products. You see, babies are rich without actually doing anything. They have money even though they are babies. So baby gear. The thing is, parents are always excited to buy things for their kids because that's the sole reason why we exist. Sorry, I'm not a parent yet. That's the sole reason why parents exist, to take care of their kids. So they want to buy things for their kids, like educational toys and children clothing, baby gear, strollers, car seats, and all of these things. So you can pay attention to these. All right. We have food and groceries. Of course, this one is going to be targeted at the festivity. So we have packaged foods like spices. This is going to be very important for you if you want to build a niche around this. I personally do not like this, but it sells. It sells, especially these specialty categories or groceries like organic food, health supplements. So organic food or food for people with specific needs. These days, all of our foods are becoming contaminated and people are trying to create a full niche of just organic food. So this can just be a niche for you. Now, educational product, this shouldn't be here because I wanted to talk about physical products. So I should go past all these ones. So we have tech accessories like laptops, keyboard, laptop stands, and all of that. Again, we are in the content creation era. These things are important to content creation or for content creators. So we have tech accessories. Not just this, we have microphones. Microphones are popping up. Like I have this one here. This is a wireless mic for content creators. So you can equally sell microphones like this one I have, and anything that would help content creators make more content. All right. So we have laptop stands too. We have keyboards and all of that. So home and living product. This one is quite important because even me, I'm currently looking for a way to create a small studio here and decorate this stuff. So people are looking for wall arts, throw pillows. This might look quite generic to you, but you can fine tune it. All right. We have cleaning products, storage organizers, and beddings. So I want to use this kitchen to get a niche for you. So another product. So I can just copy this and then I can go to AliExpress. This is one way you use to find products. All right. I can go to aliexpress.com and I want to see other new products that are coming up in this niche, and then we can use this product and we can look at this product and come and find them in Nigeria. So if you come to aliexpress.com, you just want to search for your niche. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to type kitchen gadgets. So I hit search. I want to see kitchen gadgets. So you can repeat the same process for any of the niche here. So you can come here, just select skincare products, or come here, select makeup kits or shea butter, black soap. So we might just do 2 and then we end this video. So if you come here, we see different kitchen gadgets. These are very simple things that helps with cooking. All right. As common as these things may appear, they are quite useful to the kitchen. They are quite useful to the kitchen, and people who cook a lot, they will understand what I'm saying. So you can come here and search by the order. You want to see the ones that are currently selling and has gotten a lot of orders. So as you can see, this one has gotten more than 10,000 orders, 10,000 orders, 50,000 orders. So see, this one is 14 in one multifunctional vegetable chopper. So that's quite convenient, and I personally do need something like that. So you can see this one, window groove cleaning clothes. These are not the kind of things you see every day. All right. These are not the kind of things you see every day. So as you can see, we have numerous products that we can sell under this niche. So let's try another one. Let's come here. Let's say you are looking for face serums. You copy this. You go to face serums. You go to AliExpress. You can do this with Amazon. You can do this with Gigi. You can do this. I prefer AliExpress because AliExpress is like the most popular, and it gives you direct insight, because most people who come here to buy, they are consumers. So it gives you an insight that the final consumers are buying this, and that is what you want. You want what consumers are already buying. All right. So these are face serums, and you want to see what these face serums do. So this one is saying improve skin texture and tone for people who want to have smooth, youthful skin. Everybody wants that. So you come down, you see different skin serum. See this one, 5,000, 5,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So this is basically some of the hot products that you can sell in Nigeria, especially for physical products. I hope this video has been helpful. I have a full e-commerce training where I go in depth and I teach you everything that you need to do after finding these products. How do you sell them? How do you create a sales page? And how do you take it to Facebook? How do you deliver these products? How do you price them? Everything that you need to do to actually do this business model profitably. If you want to be a part of that training, I'm going to put the link in the description, or you can go to the link that will appear on this screen. And I hope this video has been helpful. If yes, ask questions. If no, you can also tell me that this video has not been helpful, and we can talk about it like adults. Until then, my name is Good Noel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.